Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a business tax extension online. Filing an extension provides your business with an additional 6 months to prepare and submit your tax return. This extra time can be invaluable for gathering all necessary documents and ensuring accuracy, helping you avoid potential penalties for late filing. It's a straightforward process that can save you a lot of stress and ensure compliance with tax regulations. Selecting the correct IRS form is the first crucial step for your business tax extension. If your business is structured as a partnership or an S corporation, you will need to file Form 704. For sole proprietors and C corporations, the appropriate form is Form 700. Double-checking your business entity type ensures you submit the right paperwork, preventing delays and potential issues with your extension request. Filing your business tax extension online is designed to be quick and efficient. You can easily access the official IRS website or utilize a trusted, authorized e-file provider. Once there, you will be prompted to enter your business's essential information, including your employer identification number or social security number. After reviewing all details for accuracy, simply submit the completed extension form electronically, usually taking just a few minutes. While filing an extension provides additional time to submit your tax return, it's crucial to remember that it does not extend the time to pay any taxes you owe. You must estimate and pay your tax liability by the original deadline to avoid penalties and interest. The IRS charges a penalty of 0.5% of the unpaid taxes for each month or part of a month that taxes remain unpaid, up to a maximum of 25%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.